to the studio. We're in subtropical paradise, New Zealand, and we're going to be painting tropical paradise in Fiji or Rarotonga or Thailand, somewhere like that, some beautiful Pacific island. It all started here 20 years ago when Helen and I went over to this beautiful little island, and then we paddled out to an even smaller little island, found this little shack and the most beautiful snorkeling we had ever done in the Pacific. Now this one hangs in my toilet, so I see it every day, and always love the memories that this represents for me. And 20 years later, it's getting an upgrade. It's got some walls and a little deck, and a few trees have grown up around it. The island's got a little bit bigger, and the snorkeling is just as good. Quite an easy painting to paint, either in acrylics or oil, so it's great for beginners, but advanced painters might like the change of scenery as well. I'm going to take you through the 5 steps, which is the sky, the beach, the water, the trees, and the little love shack. So if that sounds good to you, I hope you'll join me in painting this beautiful tropical island. And a coconut, perhaps a pina colada. Keep watching for a few key points from the full video. If you like it, go to the website and get the full lesson, and I'll see you there. Enjoy! Okay, so we've got a 14-inch square linen canvas taped onto a board, and these are our colors for the start of the painting. Phthalo blue, the brilliant magenta, acrylic yellow light, and titanium white. So I need to use a lot of paint with acrylics to get smooth transitions. Not so much with oils. Still a lot, but not quite so much. So see how I'm smushing it out flat onto there. And I want sort of a swishy feel to this, so I'm going to start here. Just smush that down onto the canvas. Yeah. That's for a purpose, because we're looking at a circular island. And this is the shallows going out to the big blue, the deep water. So this is the edge of a very big ellipse. Brush that out a little further, because we're going to work out from that again while it's all still wet. Pays to work with a big brush. Just get all of this big blending stuff done so much easier. Alright, get darker again. So notice how those rocks are getting thinner and flatter and smaller as they get close to the beach. Yeah. So if you take a look at photos of this caustic lighting, it can really be in any direction. There's a lot of different ways that it could look. For this one, I'm going for the wriggly oval shape. So I will be painting green over this, but this is the way I like to start off with palm trees. So having slightly blurred edges on some of this stuff, and that blue background to start with on the foliage, makes it look like it's in motion. Just a little highlight. So what you don't want to do is make all of these bits of wood and stuff the same color. It needs variation in it to look more real. Okay, and now I can pull the tape off. And there you go, beautiful little tropical scene. Remember, I want to see you painting, and we all want to see you painting when you finished it, so don't forget to take a photo and upload it to the website. So I hope you really enjoy this one and dive into it, have some fun. And happy painting, and I will see you in the next one.